Well, hey there. As you can see, we had a little trouble on our way back from our latest recovery. We had to single out the two wheels on the right side of the trailer because I was a little tired and a little hangry, and I ended up cutting the corner a little too short. So we got 3 tires on the deck here that I got to check out and see if I just debeaded them or if I actually destroyed them. So we'll get them unstrapped here, and we'll take them up to the shop, and we're gonna see if we destroyed them or not. Oh, hi there. That's right, it snowed outside last night. But we got to get these tires fixed. I had to order 3. The other 3 got destroyed. It's my own fault. We got to get the tires mounted up, and we got to get ready for a, well, an event. Oh, these gotta saw out. We'll show you what happened to the tires in a little bit here. First thing we gotta do is we gotta dig out the tire changer. That ought to do. Well, I promised I'd show you. See that? We cut the corner too short. Got to bump them all up to 80 pounds now. And I hope Gabe's having a whole lot more luck building our Jeep. Should we check in with him?
Hey guys, Gabe with BSF. So, we're still in the garage. We're still working on a Jeep. Got a knock on the garage door. My delivery guy knows that I'm in my garage all the time. We got a package from Yankum Ropes. Alan and the boys up in Idaho, they sent us a synthetic cable and a Fairlead, a couple of soft shackles. 14 bolt is centered up. That's where it's living now. So I got lots of trimming to do. Tomorrow I should be pulling this Dana 30 out and getting that Dana 60 at least rolled under so we can start measuring and figuring out the geometry to make our links. Yeah. See what we got to figure out, to see what we got to change, if anything, to put this Dana 60 that I built for a JK underneath the YJ. Pretty blank palette, so we'll see what happens. Hey guys, Gabe with BSF. I hope it's not too noisy. It's raining like crazy out. Well, as much as I've insulated my garage door, it's still loud in here. Anyways, I got control arms made. Tomorrow, we'll work on a drag link and a track bar. I feel like we're doing okay. I mean, we got what? 4 weeks left? We'll show up and have fun either way. All right, guys. Well, it's time to get back to work. Not getting a lot accomplished today, but I did do it. I went and picked up a set of ORIs and a transfer case. Late start. I was out in the garage super late last night, and I got plenty of work to do. So, it's just giving you an update. It's time to get to work. Hey guys, Gabe with BSF. Well, it's Valentine's Day. You know what that means. We got 1 month left to get this Jeep ready. But I think we're moving along at a pretty good pace. And speaking of Valentine's, mine's here. Holly showed up to spend the evening with me, making things more permanent under the hood of this Jeep. Our front end is all together. I'm waiting for a regulator so I can get nitrogen into these struts and move on to the next project. We got tons of them and not a lot of time to do.
Well, looks like he's coming along on the Jeep. We haven't got much time left. In fact, if you want to become a supporter, we're cutting that off on March 4th. So go to the link in the description, check out the supporter package, and get your name on the Jeep. So the off-road games will be coming up before you know it. March 14th, 15th, and 16th. That's only a few weeks away, and we got a couple events between now and then. So it looks like we won't be working on Blondie at all. But don't forget, you can go online and order your Blondie shirts to support the Build a Blondie. All right, now we got to get this up in the air and get these tires changed. You know what? We're going to be taking the side-by-side to the event. So I think we're going to unload the wrecker and use the wrecker to pick the trailer up. Yes, we finally got some snow, and no, I don't have the Snowcat running yet. That's all right because this snow is going to melt off right away anyway. I mean, look at it. It's melting already. It's got to be 38 degrees out today. You know, it was pretty nerve-wracking driving all the way across the state on singled out wheels in the middle of the night. But we made it. Okay, we don't want the stems lined up. well, opposite each other. Like that. There we go. You know, somebody asked me about this, and it's a Snap-on 18 volt. It's a big one. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. There we go. Well, we got the trailer back on all its wheels. Now we got to unload the hood and the rollers, load the side-by-side and the wrecker to get ready for our event this weekend. I don't know what we're going to do with this hood. Well, one stayed up. Okay, now we got to put the spare tire back and load the side-by-side in the wrecker. Nuts?
I got the nuts. You got the gun?
Yep.
Is it on?
Yep. Okay, now we gotta get the razor out of here. Remove the table. And move the hoist arm. I think we can get it through there.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, that thing can be a lot of fun in the snow. Okay, we got it loaded. We got to put the ramps away, and then all we got to do is hook up and head out. Okay, we got 3 new tires on it, and it's loaded and ready to go Saturday. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.
Pretty tires.